Well, good morning. Well, this morning here, I'm not sure what it'll be for y'all whenever y'all watch it, but today we're going to be going to look at some new trucks. I guess we might be getting rid of the old Duramax, but the reason behind that is because I'm starting a business and I don't want to be working out of this truck. So if you're new here, it's a good day to drop in. We might be getting a new truck today. I got a couple things I want to go look at. Not 100% on anything yet, we're just going to go look, but it's looking pretty promising. Can't have a road trip without Taco Bell now. And Devin Shakes complains about $40. Chevy's not too bad. I really like the front end of the GMC's a whole lot better, but it's not the GMC year that I'm talking about, but not a bad looking truck. Really honestly thinking about leaning on getting a Ford. Some of the Chevrolet guys are gonna be upset about that. We got some family I think is gonna be upset about that. Heck yeah, see something like this, that's what I'm talking about. I really like these. This one's pretty nice. I was never really a Ford fan, but I really like this body style here. The gas or the 6.7s. I would honestly rather have the 6.7. I'd like to stay with the diesel, but for the price range that I'm looking in, I'm probably going to go with the gas burner. Alright y'all, well, I'm back. I ended up driving 5 hours to Kernersville, North Carolina to the Dodge dealership there. Say they're the second largest truck sales in the United States. Were really helpful. Had 1,500 trucks to choose from. I guess I'll show you guys the truck and then I'll go over some of the features with you. You ready? Hey, just making sure you're still watching and paying attention now. Alright, here we go. Alright, well, what we got is it's a 2012 Ford F-250. It is the gas burner. It's got the bumpers front and back. I'm not really sure what these brands are. It's got this emblem here. I just need to look that up. I'm not really sure what it is. It's got the Monster XDs, 18-inch wheels, Toyo RTs. They're about wore out. I'm gonna have to get some new ones. Let's see. Got the bars that come down. Leather interior, sunroof. It's got the navigation and stuff for the radio. Overall, guys, I'm really happy with the trucks. You know, like I said, I would rather went with a diesel. But overall for the truck, you know, I'm really happy with it. I actually might like it more than I like the Duramax as a truck, not engine-wise, but as a whole feature-wise. I mean, it's got all kind of extra features that my other truck didn't have. Well guys, that's all for this video. Be looking forward to some videos, you know, maybe doing some stuff to this truck. If this is your first time dropping in, hit the like button and please subscribe. Have a great rest of your day.